Tambak na yung aming grocery dito sa counter. So this is what we got from Harmon's grocery shopping. We got the paper plates, 2 bags of paper plates. Hindi kami nagamit ni Chad ng plato para walang hugasan. So we only use paper plates and plastic cups. So we got 2 bags. We have the French silk pie. Chad, pick this up.
And it's all for me because you said it didn't look good and you didn't like it and it was too sweet. So I'm gonna eat it all.
No, we share.
Right, netizens?
You're asking for netizens' approval?
No, they're agreeing with
Agree?
me. They're agreeing with me that Peachy said it's too sweet and she didn't like it.
It is too sweet, City. It does. And guys, ito yung magandang deal nila ngayon sa chicken. Kasi $3.55 lang siya for 8 drumsticks. So, ayan siya. Binili ko to kasi magluluto ako ng mang inasal for Chad one of these days. Kaya, ayan. May binili kasi kaming yung mang inasal marinate vinegar from seafood market. Yung grocery namin. Ayun yung aking gagamitin pang babad, pang marinate dito sa drumstick na to for mang inasal. And then, we also got ribs and flat iron steak. This is $9.91. Bubulol ako sa pagbibigkas nun. Tapos, rib eye steak, $11.33. Another rib eye steak, $10.91. Then bacon. Yan, kasi magluluto si Chad ng heavy breakfast one of these days. Then, either Monday or Tuesday, gagawa kami ng waffle, like baked potato, scrambled egg, yung pang heavy breakfast talaga. So, ito yung aming grocery and what else? Set aside natin ito eh. Kaya ko na yan sila ilalagay sa ref. And then, of course, ang Gatorade natin, 69 cents din siya sa Harmon's. Yung last time kong grocery haul, binili ko sa Smith's, which is same price din sila. So, I got 2 lemon lime, 1, yung kanilang crisp and cool na blue at isang cucumber flavor na green. So, 4. Yung mga chops, fresh diced bell pepper, peeled garlic, chopped red onion, and then fruit deluxe, melon and berries for Chad. Gusto nyo tong mixed fruit na to. And then pineapple chunk, fresh pineapple chunk. And then, of course, fresh milk. Last bag, creamer, coffee creamer, heavy cream, whipped cream. Ito usually ginagamit to ni Chad dito sa kanyang prutas. Hinahalo niya. And then, ayan nga, potato and full beans coffee. Cafe Ibis. Yeah. And that's all for the Harmon's grocery shopping. So, in total, meron pa kaming tatlong pack ng bottled water na nilagay na ni Chad sa storage room. So, in total is $154 and 33 cents $154 yung aming grocery shopping. Ilagay na natin sa rep isa-isa. Dapat ilagay. na naman yung aming ref, guys. Kailangan ko na naman mag-reorganize sa aming ref. Guys, Domino's Pizza. Ito yung pizza namin nung... Ano pa siya? Isang box. Nung kahapon. Hindi pa namin naubos ni Chad. Dami na kasing umorder eh. Kala ko kung marami yung tao yung nakatira dito eh. So, do you remember that we still have a box of pizza here? Alright, this is it, guys. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh.